Boys and girls of the internet, I have a 2002 Toyota Mr2 Spider, and I just wanted to make this real quick, short and to the point. So I've had moisture filling up in my floorboards, and as you can see, my rear cubby is swimming. Now, I installed a new top on this car about 2 months ago, and I've been worried that it was a problem with the top and the installation itself. I've done it myself, you know, saving that money, and or whatever it was that little Dickie said. So one thing I didn't do is I didn't check the drains. Now, you have a bladder bag inside the car, and you don't need to remove your seat. I removed my seat to clean out the water damage. Even found an old cigarette. Look at that. Great. When you pop this open, this panel sits in here like this. It's got these little plastic tabs. You can pull them out with your hand. You just pull them, they come to that position, and they're unlocked. That's it. This trim piece just pulls right out, and you can actually see the edge of the bag right here. So it's like a rough material, and it tucks up in there. Well, I pulled it down, and it's full of water. So I ran my hand down across the top of the screen, and it did not fix any of that. Now, I did take, when I had the top off, and we cleaned out like the top of the drain part, just there was a little bit of pine needles and stuff, and I thought that would take care of it. Turns out I had more of a problem. Now, when you get to the side of the vehicle right here, you see these little air intakes or coolant air ports for the engine bay. I had mine running, my battery was weak, but you can see the inside of the pocket there. Now, we're gonna pull these off because the drains are located right behind this. Now, there's a bunch of cool fancy tools that you can get, because there's 3 snap clips. This is the way I've done it. Put your fingers through, pull it towards you, bam. So 2 of our clips stayed in. One of them came out with the car, but it did not break. Now, these are slotted, so all you need to do is get you a screwdriver and pop these out, or reach behind there, squeeze them, like I did that one. And you see the little cone? You're gonna take and slide this back into its little slot that I can't do one-handed, but you're gonna slide it back in there to put this cover back on. Now, inside here, this is your flap for the drain. And look at that. Just completely clogged up. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take, I brought 2 screwdrivers. It really doesn't matter what kind, just something to start picking this crap out of there. Oh yeah. There's probably dead rats, pine needles, God knows what else. Look at it go. Look how much water was in that. There's a gallon of water caught in that bladder bag. And there we go. So if you want and you're feeling adventurous, you can get you a water bottle and you can pour it along the outside edge of the top. Now, my top is partially retracted. Once again, I had it open to help dry the carpet. But yeah, so there's what happened. Our little drain just got stopped up on this side. I'm gonna pull the other side off to check it too, although I had no problems over there. The carpet's always nice and dry on that side, no issues. But this side, we had some really bad storms, and I noticed that this water was beginning to collect inside the pocket. Once again, in my carpet, you can see it's squishy. So to remedy this, I'm gonna vacuum this all with a shop vac really good. And then I'm going to leave the car in the sun with the top down for a few days. And make sure it's open and ventilated, and it's gonna fry this carpet dry. And then we'll spray the whole interior down with some disinfectant and stuff, and some mold and mildew killer. A lot of the stuff does not contain bleach. Make sure it doesn't contain bleach, or it might stain your carpet. But you buy mold and mildew destroyer, it's a non-bleach base, and you can spray all of this down throughout the day. It'll dry up all your moisture, and it won't create any mold. So there you go. In case your MR2 Spider is building up water, this is how you fix it. And for the regular people that watch my channel too, stay tuned. I've got plenty of videos coming on this car. So thank you all for watching. Drop a comment down below, let me know what you think. I didn't do a video on the top replacement, in case you're wondering, because I had never done one on an MR2. I didn't want to make a video showing me of how I did it, because once again, I didn't know how to do it. So I would not call myself instructional, but I did put one with a glass top and rear defrost back in it. It was supposed to have that caramel brown. That's what was on it originally. I couldn't find those. They were like less than $1,000, so I put a black one on it. It's a very high quality top, fit perfect. So yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching.